Every rider needs a spare chain. Whether you're running 9, 11, or 12 speeds, having the right chain and setup can seriously save you from a nightmare mid-ride. In this video, I'll show you 5 top bike chains and 1 essential dry lubricant that'll keep your drivetrain smooth, silent, and reliable. Let's dive in. Today we're covering SRAM PC-1170, 11-speed, SRAM NX Eagle, 12-speed, Shimano Deore CN-M6100, 12-speed, SRAM PC-971, 9-speed, a universal chain toolkit, and muck-off dry chain lube. All of these work for road, MTB, and mixed bikes, and they're perfect as spares or upgrades. First up, the SRAM PC-1170. This is an 11-speed chain with 114 links, built for smooth shifting and long life on 11-speed systems. If you're on a mid-range road or MTB 11-speed drivetrain, this is a solid, reliable choice. Next, the SRAM NX Eagle 12-speed chain. With 126 links and the included power lock, it's designed for 12-speed Eagle drivetrains. It's tough, durable, and a great upgrade or spare for aggressive mountain riders who need something that can handle gear changes under load. Third, the Shimano Deore CN-M6100. This is a 12-speed chain with 126 links, silver, and includes a quick link. It's perfect for Shimano Deore and many other 12-speed mountain setups. If you want a chain that matches Shimano's shifting feel and durability, this is a great option. Last chain, the SRAM PC-971, a 9-speed chain in silver or gray with power lock. It's a classic for older 9-speed systems, road or mountain. If you've got a budget bike or a backup bike with 9-speed, this is a reliable, no-fuss spare chain. Now, buying a spare chain is only half the story. You also need the right tools. This universal bike chain toolkit gives you everything: a main chain plier or breaker for cutting and splitting chains, a chain checker to measure wear, and tools that work from 1-speed up to 12-speed chains. With this kit, you can install your spare chain on the road, check when your current chain is worn, and avoid buying chains too early or too late. It's cheap, compact, and honestly, one of the best value tools you can have in your toolbox. Finally, the key to making any chain last: proper lubrication. This is the muck-off dry chain lube, 50 milliliters. It's a biodegradable lubricant specifically formulated for dry weather. Apply it to a clean, dry chain, let it dry for a few hours, and wipe off the excess. You'll get a dry, clean layer that protects your chain, reduces friction, and doesn't attract dust. It's safe for all bike types: road, mountain, commuter, and it's a great companion for any of the chains we just showed. So, to recap, SRAM PC-1170 for 11-speed SRAM NX Eagle for 12-speed Shimano Deore CN-M6100 for 12-speed Shimano systems, SRAM PC-971 for 9-speed a universal chain toolkit, and muck-off dry chain lube for dry conditions. If you want spare chains that won't leave you stranded, or you're upgrading your drivetrain, these are my top picks. Check the links below for prices and details. Drop a comment with your current chain setup, and subscribe for more bike maintenance and gear guides. Next time, I'll show you how to install one of these chains step by step. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.